Good morning, everyone! We are back here. Okay, today is Wednesday. Merkulis na naman, guys. Mainit na naman sa labas. Okay. Look at my little man here. Look.
Yes, I'm not her little man.
Okay, guys. May gusto lang akong sasabihin. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you doon sa nag-subscribe sa channel namin. I mentioned this name, Cathy and Charles, Miss F, and John and Janet. Thank you for the time to watching our video. Okay, we're just trying to make more video.
Wait, you and Snowball?
Yeah, me and Snowball and my fiance there. Oh my God!
My cigarette.
Look at the kids. It's music.
Okay, you're lazy today.
That's all. We're just happy all the time, right?
Yeah.
Look,
Very happy.
that's what he's doing. He's just sitting there, smoking, drinking coffee. That's all. And my little man here. Which one? Which one? He always hollering. Why you always hollering?
Listening to the country music on the radio,
Ah.
on the computer.
So, what you gonna do today?
Me, you see what I'm going to do today. Smoke the cigarette, drink the coffee.
That's all?
No, I will go for a walk.
Walk? Okay. We can go together.
You're a clown.
No, I have to wash the clothes. I'm not starting yet. Okay. Why are you hollering? Why? Makulit na pusa. Ayan. Oh, today is August 1.
August 1.
Yeah.
I got one more month.
Oh my God. Whew. But it's a good day. Every day is a good day, right?
It's a good day.
Yep.
As long as I am here in the Philippines.
Yeah. Guys, sana magustuhan nyo ang video namin. If magustuhan nyo, just hit the button like and subscribe. Sana, we just trying our best to make more video wherever we go. And then, right?
Yeah.
You want to say anything there?
I always want to talk.
You always want to talk.
I'm glad to be in the Philippines. It's warm morning, every morning. The sun coming up.
Yeah. Guys, look at the banana there. It's big.
Let me
My
show.
God. Look, it's big.
Let me show the bananas.
I want to show.
They're big.
Yeah, it's big. My brother-in-law,
One
he have,
banana this
he's,
big.
he's growing a banana on his yard, and then he give me some banana. It's big banana. I don't know what kind of banana of that. I don't know.
The Philippines have 27 kinds of bananas. 27 kinds.
But that big, my God, I can't eat the one. Only half.
This is the biggest one that we got so far.
Yes.
I love bananas. They are good for you.
Okay. That's only for now, guys. Thank you for watching our vlog. Babuy. God bless you all.
Yes, God bless you.